So I was talking to somebody the other day, and they were like, it's too bad you can't rent out this arena. See, the issue here is that behind this professional-sized arena, with all the fancy footing underneath that Bill and I had to rake last summer, there's like practically a wildlife preserve. And so nobody that lives here in this area wants this to be a commercial horse farm. So it's all built and it's all here, but the neighbors are not cool with it. They want this all to stay wild. So here we are. Gorgeous arena. And we can't use it. Here comes Raven. Hi, Raven. Hi. Here she comes. Oh, she's so cute. Hi, Raven girl. Hi, Meow Meow. This is our barn cat, Raven. Oh, she's so cute. Hi, baby. Hi, baby. Look at her little tail. Oh, she's so cute. He's so cute. Yeah, he's so cute. And she's watching Zeus. Zeus is over here. And she's a little nervous about him. Yeah. Oh, pretty girl. Oh, so cute. Can I rub your belly? She might run away. Sometimes she gets shy. She likes me to rub it, but then she gets all shy. Just kidding. Look at her tail. I swear she wags it like a dog. She's so cute. So cute. Oh, she's getting all dirty. And the horses are just watching. And there she is. Oh, she's so cute. Look at her belly. Raven is 10. And she's been our barn cat for a long time. It looks like something might have grabbed onto her recently. Yeah, but she got away and is healing. Being a barn cat in New Hampshire is not easy. That's her favorite. Rubs right here. Here comes Zeus. Hi, Zeus. Hi, Zeus. Being friendly. Hi, Zeus. Got you by the barn. It sounds like they might be done with hay. Yeah, I'll have to go in and check. Hi, buddy. Hi, buddy boy. Hi, buddy boy. Oh, something spooky. You looking at the kitty? Raven. Raven, don't go that way. Come with me. Come on. Don't go that way. I gotta lead her away. I gotta lead her away from Zeus.